Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 98 Harley Davidson Fatboy. This bike has an 80 cubic inch V-twin engine. Very clean. Paint is very nice. New Pirelli tires, front and rear. This bike has 16-inch Ape Hanger Handlebars. Braided steel, stainless steel lines in the front. This bike has 18,994 miles on it. This bike runs really good. Has Vance Hines aftermarket exhaust. This very nice Fatboy is offered at $74.95. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. You could reach us at 408-730-0600.